it's Donna here, and I am so excited about the STEM Success for Women Telesummit, April 13th through 16th. It's coming up, and we have 11 amazing speakers from around the country. And it's a virtual conference, it's all online, and it's free. Let me just tell you about a few of our amazing speakers. We have Chandra Brown, Deputy Assistant Secretary for Manufacturing, talking about the need for women in manufacturing, the opportunities, and the gender gap in innovation. And we have Dr. Cheryl Sorby, the #1 expert in the world on women and spatial reasoning, talking about how she increased the percentage of women retained in an introductory engineering course by 29% in only 12 teaching contact hours. And we have Dr. Charlie McDowell, who will be talking about how he had the number of females in an introductory computer science class select computer science as a major at the rate of 46% compared to a control group with only 11% in the control group declaring CS as a major. And the great news too is that this also improved the number of males selecting computer science as a major. Well, it's all free. You do have to register though, and so don't hesitate. I want you to register right here now. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the STEM Success for Women Telesummit very soon online.